How to change your phone number on Epic Games. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your phone number on Epic Games. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first of all, open up your Epic Games. After you've opened up your Epic Games, you will need to head over to this option right here that's basically your profile icon. Tap on it and there you'll find account option. Head over to account. After you head over to account, this page should load up and there you'll find under account this section right here, password and security. Tap on password and security. You might have to go through two-factor authentication. You might get a code on your mail which you'll need to put in. But after you do that, you can scroll down and there you'll see an option that says SMS. So if you have already set this up, you should see your phone number here. You can tap on the change button and type in your new phone number. You will get a code on your old phone number which you'll need to verify. Then after that, you will have changed your phone number. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.